Hello guys, today we give you information for the injector seals. If you want to change at home, make sure you have a proper tool and you have a proper experience. Never try if you don't have a experience or you don't have a proper tools. This is a Peugeot 508. We are changing fuel filter, we are changing the injector seals. But make sure if you have a proper experience to change or you have a proper tools, then you try at home. Otherwise, never try at home. Mostly the things look like very simple, but actually is not like that. So please make sure for everything that you have a proper information and proper tools. Because in this kind of job, you need to be open a lot of things, you need to be open a lot of connectors, and if you broken anything, just for a small thing you broken, and you are in a big trouble. So better don't do if you don't have a experience. Just come to the garage for this job. Never try at home, because is too many fuel pipes, the too many connectors. If you broken anything, is a big trouble. Thank you watching.